Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. We all know that health is wealth. That's why while planting beautiful flowers, we can also grow some herbal plants as well. Today in this video, I will talk about a very important herbal plant and how you can grow it in your garden very easily as well. Can you guess what this is? Yes, you're correct. This is a buffalo spinach. This normally grows on pond sides, river sides, or even in some muddy area. But we live in an urban life, so how do we grow it in a rooftop garden? That's what the video is about today. My mom took this medium-sized plastic box. Do you know what it is for? Yes, for making a pond. I have just told that this buffalo spinach grows well on muddy or clayey soil. So that's what we are making. For this, my mom is using 50% garden soil, some amount of kitchen waste compost, and also, most important, mustard seed powder. For this, you can also use any kind of tea leaf compost or any kind of leaf compost or any kind of compost you have in your house right now. Most important is about the water. Pour some amount of water and then wait for 7 days. Oh, I forgot to tell, my mom also gave some amount of bioenzyme in here to fertilize the soil even more. You can keep it anywhere you like, even if it's a sunny area or a shaded area. After 7 days of keeping it untouched, look at our pond and your pond is ready. Now, time to take some buffalo spinach. You can grow this buffalo spinach very easily. This is easily available in the market. Also, if you have any kind of ponds or rivers by your side, you can also collect it from there. Also, keep in mind that this plant can be easily grown from stem cutting. Simply just put it like this on the mud. And it will easily start growing after 7 days. But the most important thing is, why are we planting this buffalo spinach or what is its use? Sleeplessness is a very common problem in elderly and sometimes in middle-aged people as well. Science says that sleeplessness can be easily cured by this herb. This leaves controls production of stress hormones and relaxes muscles and provides a better sleep and relaxed mind. And the Alzheimer's disease can also be treated by this. Keeping this aside, there are also other kind of benefits by eating or consuming this buffalo spinach. This plant is believed to be beneficial for digestive health, respiratory issues, skin disorders, or even mild joint pain. Including buffalo spinach in your diet may support detoxification and boost metabolism. Time to time you need to fertilize your mud. That's why my mom is adding some kitchen waste compost. If you want to know how to consume it, if you search on Google, there will be many kinds of ways how to consume it. But the most common way is by frying it. Oh, and its common name is helencha. So make sure to plant it and take its health benefits. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.